Hey, my name is Jarrett. I'm an occupational therapist and a lymphedema therapist, and this is my review of the Ryobi chainsaw. It's a 40-volt battery operated chainsaw. I just opened it from the box, or just took it out from the box, and everything is still on there. I'm going to take this off and see how it works. So far, I really like how it looks. The battery pack looks like it's really easily chargeable. There are some easy to read instructions on there to tell us when the battery's fully charged. So here's the battery. So if I was to plug this up, this slides right in. It's telling me right now that the battery is charging. So we'll give this a little bit of time before it gets the charge, and I'll come back to you. So I just got some bar and chain oil from Power Care that I'm going to use with the chainsaw from Ryobi, and it looks like it's really easy to fill up. I'm going to use a funnel to help get the oil in there. All right, we filled it up. Filled up pretty easily. I just poured it in there with the funnel. All right, so now that it's filled up with the bar and chain oil, let's take a look. I put the battery in there. And we're good to go. Okay, all set. We did our first go round. I took down a couple trees in the back. Handled pretty well. One of the things that they did recommend is that you loosen up the cap after it's used to depressurize it. Aside from this, I'm going to take out the battery and store it. Looks like this is going to work out really well.